When Peter gets his hands on a chainsaw, what will he do with it? Wow. First up, the classic chainsaw entrance.
Mom, Stewie needs his sausage shredded and his butter spread.
Looks like Stewie needs help. But chainsaws and cream, are you kidding me? Looks like Peter managed to sabotage everything. The rest of the job requires a bit of artistry. Well, it looks like Peter did his job perfectly. Peter couldn't get enough of the chainsaw. He even has to take it to bed with him. This time, Peter wanted to make a hole in the tree to house a mascot for a brand name snack. Looks like that didn't work out.